Text, icon Riverwalk. Refined 55 plus living. Wheelchair accessible. Equal housing opportunity. A common area. A hallway. A group of 5 residents gather around a kitchen island and eat breakfast. They talk and laugh over plates of pastries and fresh fruit. 2 women cheers Riverwalk branded mugs. A furnished apartment. A fitness center filled with people doing cardio and strength training. A wall quote about Namaste. A group of residents gather in the cardio studio and unroll yoga mats on the hardwood floor. A teacher leads them through poses in front of a floor-to-ceiling mirror. A cafe flag ripples in the breeze. The interior of the Riverwalk Cafe. They sell pastries and residents mingle around tables. A barista makes an espresso shot. 5 residents sit around a table laughing and enjoying coffee. A common room with bookshelves. A home theater. Millstone Marketplace. Residents get drinks at the bar of a piano bar. A bartender makes and serves cocktails. A pianist plays her piano as patrons laugh and drink at tables. A man plays golf on a golf simulator. He hands the club off to another man as spectators clap and cheer. An Icon Now leasing banner hangs from the building side. Residents gather around a fire pit in an outdoor common area. They play bocce ball and laugh and chat. Low sofas surround the fire pit and taller bar tables are off to one side. Residents sit and mingle, having drinks and sharing laughs. The group poses together for a photo. Text, schedule a tour today. iconriverwalk.com